Hello, English 9 students. Mrs. Kirchhoff here. Your assignment for today is writing a fractured fairy tale in which you change the point of view. So your learning target for today, I can write a paragraph to demonstrate my understanding of point of view. So this is an extension of Monday's assignment where we reviewed the different types of point of view in that video clip, and then we looked at examples in class. So I want to see that you can apply this to your writing. So the directions for this assignment, it says choose a well-known fairy tale or children's movie and change the perspective. Rewrite the story from a different character's point of view. Here are a few examples you could choose from. Goldilocks and the Three Bears, Little Red Riding Hood, The Princess and the Pea, Cinderella, Jack and the Beanstalk, Rapunzel, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Aladdin, Rumpelstiltskin, Beauty and the Beast, or you could choose your own. So think about maybe your favorite Disney movie or your favorite movie as a kid. You could choose that as well. So these questions down here are to help you get started. Number one, which fairy tale did you write about? So you please make sure you restate, right? I chose to write my fairy tale about blank. And again, you can choose something off of this list, or you could choose your own fairy tale. Number two, who tells the story in the original version? In other words, who does the story focus on? So if you were to choose, let's say, the story Cinderella, the story focuses on the character Cinderella. So you'd answer this question, Cinderella tells the story in the original version. For number three, this is where you're going to change the point of view. So number three says, who tells the story in your version? So pick a different character in the story, and that's going to be the new main character, the narrator, essentially. So in Cinderella, I could have the stepmother be telling the story, or one of the stepsisters could tell the story, or maybe even the godmother could tell the story. So that's how you'll answer number three. And then number four, what point of view are you going to use to write your story? So this is where you're going to take what we went over in class on Monday and apply it to this assignment. So if you recall, first person point of view, you use pronouns like I, me, and my, and the main character is the narrator. For second point of view, you use pronouns like you and your, and the reader becomes the narrator. There's three different types of third person. All of them use pronouns like he, she, and they. Third person omniscient is all knowing about all the characters. Third person objective only gives us information on the character's actions and what they say. And then third person limited focuses on one character's story and his or her actions and thoughts. So I'd say for this assignment, I would probably either go with first person, where you're using those I and me and my pronouns, or I would say third person limited, where you're focused on one specific character and you're seeing everything kind of through their eyes, but using those he, she, and they pronouns. So the last part, number five, this is where you write your paragraph. It says write your paragraph below, so right here, using 8 to 10 complete sentences. If you're not sure how to get started, you can watch this version of The Three Little Pigs told from the wolf's perspective. So if you click on the word version, there is a video clip that I've attached here, and you can watch this. It's a children's book, actually, and someone rewrote the story of the Three Little Pigs from the wolf's perspective. So I'm not going to play all of it. I'm just going to fast forward here. It's told from the wolf's perspective. So he's the narrator and the main character in this version. So that's kind of cool. If you have any questions about this assignment, please do not hesitate to reach out. You can comment on the assignment itself or ask questions through Remind or even an email. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.